go rock!
Hello everyone, this is Lee Hendricks and welcome to my channel about North Carolina gold prospecting. Today I'm going to do some rock crushing and I have several samples to check out. Before we start crushing, I'm going to give you an idea of what they sound like when I check them with the Goldbug 2, and then we'll crush them up and see if it's right or not. That's with the iron discrimination. I'm still getting a hit on this rock right here. I'm getting a little bit of a noise over here on these other rocks. And check out, this rock right here came from Kevin's Creek over in Mocksville. There's no non-ferrous, but when I put on iron, look at that. It looks like it's all magnetite or hematite. I'm sure that's what's in the creek with the black sand. But yeah, it's not detecting anything for gold. There's a lot of mineralization in this bull quartz. Here's just with detecting for iron. Not a whole lot, but if I turn it on for gold or non-ferrous, I'm getting a hit. So you can hear a little chirp. And that's with iron discrimination, so supposedly there should be something in there. I mean, it could be copper, it could be silver, it could be a lot of different things that are non-ferrous, but it's chirping just a hair. Just to show you how accurate these, or how sensitive these gold bugs are, look what happens when I detect Oakley. I'm not sure what she's been eating. This is pretty hard rock. I'm ready to start the first round. This is that gray rock that had some iron rust stains on it. This is very hard to crack up. It's not brittle, it's tough. So it's probably going to be tough on the old rock crusher, but I think it'll still make quick work of it. I'm not going to let all that dust up for a change. I'm going to use my vacuum cleaner to make enough pressure to pull that out. Get that good and tight so it kind of makes a seal. I can feel the suction. So got a good vacuum going. Get this thing started. Go ahead and get my material in the pan. So the good thing about this is I can just clean out inside it. So here's what we're left with. Got to clean this out and we'll start the next batch. Doing a smaller sample this time. It's this striated quartz. I got a lot of it, but I just decided to do a little bit of it. See what's in it. So we got a little bit of a sludge at the bottom I got to wash out. I'm washing all the powder out of this. And that's about all we have left. Alright, this is from Moxville. This is all that ironstone stuff. It's like black sand and magnetite, all that in there. It went crazy on the iron detection on the gold bug. When I put it on iron discrimination, it didn't even chirp at all. So we'll see what's in here. It looks like it could hold gold. That big rock had the big spot of iron on it, or mineralization. So this will be the bigger sample of all 5 of them. So this is the last bucket. It's not much. It shouldn't take long. It's getting dark. washed all this out and rinsed it, you can see the material is cleaner. So it shouldn't hopefully make my water too murky. Alright, I've moved inside now. It's actually a lot later than it was earlier. I ate supper and we watched an autobiography about Val Kilmer. Did not realize he had gotten throat cancer. This is interesting material. I don't think it's going to have any gold in it, but oh, dog, there's gold. I don't even have to squint to see that. Maybe I've been chasing the wrong rock all this time, guys. Well, how about that? Okay, here's that rock that had all the black sand in it. When I say black sand, I'm assuming this is magnetite and hematite. Looks like just what I would get out of the creek there, except this doesn't have any lead in it. Look at that. It's like pure iron. If I left this overnight, it would stain this pan. Yeah, it's about, I guess, 9:30. Today's the next day. I just did that one sample last night that had the gold in it. And went back to Golf Ball Creek today. Got a lot of black sand from there that needs to be panned out. I want to get this stuff out of the way. Getting too many projects going at one time. I can't believe how much ferrous material is in that one rock. Looks like the stuff you put in a Magnadoodle. See if I can see any gold in this. I don't see anything, which is amazing. Considering how much that iron is in there. I'm going to pan it down a little bit more. I'm just curious if that is magnetic. I've got a magnet. Let's see if it's ferrous. Oh yeah, look at that. Picked it right up. I'm not sure what surprises me more, that I found gold in that gray rock or found no gold in this rock. I cannot believe there's not just a little dot of gold in all that iron. I certainly do not see anything. I probably could see it magnified, but let's move on. I'm going to do, let's see, we'll do the one that's got the striated quartz. So what we're doing is this material. small sample. So this will be exciting if there's gold, because there was a lot of that rock that's still to be crushed if it does have gold. If not, I probably won't mess with it. You know what? Let's turn you around so I can do this right-handed. That's going to be much easier. Well, it doesn't look like that small sample had any gold. Get all that white quartz out before I clean it completely out. Take one last look here. This is a quartz rock that came from the secret spot. Guy Wintink's secret spot. It had kind of a black crust over it. The guy said that was called skarn. He said basically that was just gold ore. So let's see if that gold ore has any gold in it. Yes, there is one piece of gold in this sample. Let me show you. It's right in the middle of your screen. I'll zoom in. That's it right there. So the skarn did have a little bit of gold in it. So now for the very last sample. This was that big rock that had a huge mineralized spot. This is quartz. And it also came from the secret spot. I've broken a lot of rocks like this and not found anything, so don't really know what to expect. Rocks I usually have more luck with have a more of a brownish iron. This was kind of black looking, more like a, I don't know, a hematite, magnetite type material that was in there, but not to the extent like that what I just broke up from Knoxville, where there was so much stuff that looked like a magnetite that broke. It's a big sample here. Everything worked to the bottom. I do not see anything in this one either, so we had 2 out of 5, that's 40%. And it was just a little piece in both of them. Actually, the first had 2 little pieces. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed the rock crushing video.
I was hoping to see a little more gold than that, but still happy to have found gold in that first sample. That was pretty cool. Pretty cool.
Oakley just got her a mole. This is the third one this year. It's pretty nasty looking. It's got slobber all over it. I see it's dead. So a big golden nugget for Oakley. She's still looking. But she took time out of Frisbee to kill that mole for me. So, thanks a lot. She's making some holes in the yard though. That's enough. That's enough. Thank you.